Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Malinga Sise of Urban Harvest Organic Farm. For all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am so grateful. And for those who are still new, please kindly consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited, guys. We have finally received this. And actually, I received this a little bit early, but since the children were still at school and I couldn't open it. I remember my son told me, Mommy, we are not going to open it until when everyone is back at home, then we shall open it. And now that I've been also up and down, so busy, and that is why I didn't open this as soon as the children came back from school. You know, we've been doing a lot of brooding of these chicks. So today, they have decided that we'll open this. And guess what? We have Melissa and Angel. They're going back to school actually today. So I've decided that they cannot go back to school without us opening our award. And guys, I'm really so happy. I am so blessed to have all of you. It is all because of you. That's why we reach here. And I just want to say thank you, and may the good Lord bless you wherever you are. Let us continue subscribing, guys. Let us continue subscribing. Let us make it to our 1 million subscribers. I'm very sure someday we shall reach that, whether in 10 years, whether in 20 years, but we are here to reach 1 million subscribers. Now, before we move forward, or I tell you a little bit of the story, I want each and everyone, they have something to tell you. And I'm going to start from my eldest daughter.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Adeka Belisa Daniela, and I thank you for subscribing to my mother's channel. I thank you for supporting her since the beginning of this channel. I thank you for subscribing her, and I thank you for supporting her. May God bless you. And I really encourage you to join poultry farming, because I've seen my mom progressing since the first day she started poultry farming, and I thank you for that. And I really encourage you to also let your children start poultry farming so that they get something from this project. Thank you.
Maybe if I can tell you more about my girl Melissa, in December she will be turning 13 years old, and once she reaches 13 years old, she's going to have her own YouTube channel, and I will please kindly request you to subscribe when that right time comes. So very soon she's going to be a teenager, and she's by the way a candidate in a candidate class P7 in Uganda right now. So please, kindly, when she starts her own YouTube channel, I would kindly please, we shall all support her in that journey. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Adeka Gabriel Frank, and I thank you for subscribing to my mother and reaching 100,000 subscribers. Please help us reach 1 million subscribers. And I also encourage you to join poultry farming, and I like that project.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adeka Marisa Angel Gabriela, and I'm so thankful for the fact that you helped my mother reach 100,000 subscribers. I was very at first I was very shocked, because the first time she told us that she was going to start a channel, I was like, she's not going to make it, because YouTube is a hard deal.
Yeah, it's true.
And starting your video, you have to be perfect the first shot, or else people will not subscribe to you.
Yeah.
So I thought she would not reach it, but she actually reached it, and I'm very shocked, and I'm so thankful that you have helped her. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Amara Winfred. I thank you all for subscribing to my mother's YouTube channel, and I encourage you to join poultry farming. Poultry farming is a project that can make you earn a lot of money. It can help you get a lot of money for buying things to start that project, and I really like that project.
Wow. Thank you so much, all my guests. You're all representing our subscribers. And guys, I'm really so happy that you've all heard from our guests that we have today in the house. So, this is our award. This is one thing that I've really been wanting to have. Actually, when I started the channel, I remember There was one day when I was robbed 4.2 million Ugandan shillings. I wanted to purchase eggs. That time I was applying so many supermarkets and my birds were not laying enough eggs. So I sent my driver to go and buy eggs from someone's farm. And it happened that these people were thieves and they ended up robbing the money, and the driver came back with nothing. And then that day, I remember my son, Gabriel, I was sitting just outside where I normally make my videos from, and then then he told me that, Mommy, there is something he asked me to buy for him. Then I told him, Gabriel, they've just stolen my money. Right now I don't have money. Actually, I was already near, like I was at the verge of starting to cry. Then my son told me, Mommy, don't cry. Forgive those people. God is going to judge them when they die, when they go to heaven. And now that you have your YouTube channel, YouTube is going to pay you a lot of money and you're going to win the silver play button. That is what my son told me. Actually, from the first day when I started the channel, he kept on prophesying that one day you're going to win the YouTube play button. And then also the rest of the children, Melissa kept on telling me, Mommy, want you to win the play button. Angel told me, want you to win the play button. Winnie told me, want you to win the play button. You know, I couldn't believe I could reach here, because with poultry farming, so many people are not interested, if I may say. Okay, like I could see other videos of poultry farming, like people don't progress very fast. But mine was magical. It was magical in a way that within a space of 2 years, I was able to reach 100K subscribers. Actually, right now, as we talk, we are at 115K subscribers. So we are on our way to 200K subscribers. So this is something that I've always wanted. My children has always wanted me to get it. My son has always prophesied it almost every time that you're going to get the play button. Actually, they are all saying that we want Mommy to reach 1 million subscribers. To me, sometimes I feel it is hard, but according to the love you people show me every time I upload a video, the discussions we always have on the comment section, I truly believe that one day their dreams will come to pass. My dream will come to pass, and we shall make it to 1 million subscribers, and we shall have the golden play button. So this day, when they sent me the message to apply for this, I was actually very happy that day. I remember, very happy. I applied, and then there was this morning, like it was not in the morning, it was in the evening. Someone called me. I saw this rare number, and the person kept on calling. Then I picked and told me, I have your luggage that has come from the United States. I was like, what? I was so happy. He directed me where to go and pick it. Immediately the next morning, I woke up. I was super happy to go and pick this. But then when I brought home, I wanted to open it. And then my son told me, Mommy, let's wait for everyone to get home and we open this together. And since we are a family, and a family that wants to stay together, and we love each other, and we want always to come and appreciate you together, just like you've had each and every one of them saying thank you for supporting Mommy. You know, we are all very happy to have this. So it is all because of you that we have reached here. And I just want to say thank you. Continue supporting me, guys. I don't take it for granted. Continue supporting me. Continue standing with me, advising me. Right now, we are brooding our 682 baby chicks. And the journey is amazing, all because of you. So right now, we are going to open this. I think Melissa being the firstborn, let me give her the honor to open it. She'll get whatsoever is there, and she will hand it over to me. Come closer so that show people how you're opening it, please. Put it on the camera like this. Make sure it is sealed. Let's do that. Let it put them up. Wow. Jenny. So let's start with this. Start with this. Start with this. And by the way, I would like you to know that I come from Lango sub-region, and for your information, this is the first YouTube play button that is going to Lango sub-region. Okay, I have contacted so many YouTubers who are at my region, and they told me, sister, that is the first YouTube play button we are receiving in Lango sub-region. So now, let me read to you this. Now, this say, do you remember your first subscriber? Yes, I do remember actually I remember my first 10 subscribers. Then your 100th subscriber, do you still remember? Or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do. I don't know whether this is correct. Then they say, okay, let me give Gabriel. Okay, Angel, you read for us. Okay, Angel wants to read. Please show the camera.
This says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you definitely remember your 100th subscriber.
100,000.
100,000 subscriber.
Yes.
Your fans may have found you while researching YouTube, learned about your
through a friend,
or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community we've built. We're proud to honor you impressive milestone of
reaching 100K subscribers
with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next. And we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, you read that name, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Wow. So this is the letter that was given. Okay, Melissa is giving me this. We have this. This one, Gabriel is going to read it for us. Put it up.
It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick.
Okay.
If your reward was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us at.
Okay, they gave the address if this award was maybe damaged. That is what they are saying. Then we have this. This one, Omara Wilfred is going to read for us. Make sure you be close to the camera.
Recognize your team.
Uh-huh.
Share the
Louder.
Share the
Recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator award. To purchase the authorized copies of your creators award, email Society Award at YouTube Creators at Society Award. Okay, this one for my subscribers who want to purchase it. They have given address where you can purchase it from. So this Creators Award, you can purchase it and have it with you when it has a Linga Sisi. Wow. What is this? So now, this is the big thing that we have all been waiting for. Woo! Let's start. This is what we have been waiting for. Wow. This is nice. So, let us see. Ooh. Not needed. This is just to protect it. So, now, this one is written, presented, okay? It is written, presented to Alinga Sisi for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Wow. Woo! So this is all that we have been waiting for. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. That the Lord has made. We will rejoice. We will rejoice and be glad in it. And be glad in it. Oh, this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. Woo! So guys, we have it right here. This is what we've been waiting for. This is our word, and this is all your efforts. We thank God that we reach here. Now that we are heading for 1 million subscribers, guys, let us support Alinga Sisi. Let us subscribe. Let us like the videos. Let us share the videos. And let us always comment in the comment section. Okay? Now, before I conclude, maybe if any of you have something to tell, you can now say the last goodbye to them and we close.
Thank you guys for subscribing to my mom and supporting my mom. May God bless you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, my darling.
Thank you for subscribing to my mother. Thank you for helping us reach 100,000 subscribers and getting this.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Thank you everyone for helping my mother get this award. I am so grateful that you have helped her, and I hope there is a time when God will reward you for your good deeds.
Amen. Wow, Winnie, come closer. Let's see you well.
Thank you guys for making my mother get this lovely award. Please may God continue guiding you and protecting you.
Thank you, my sweetheart. So for today, that is all we had for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for making me win this. And if you're still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be so grateful. See you next time. I love you all. Bye-bye.